We'll guide you through how to select a specific number of cells in Excel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want a quick and simple way to open Excel files and find specific numbers inside large spreadsheets. First, click Microsoft Excel on your desktop to open the program and wait for it to load completely before continuing. Once Excel is open, press the Ctrl and O keys together on your keyboard to open the file browsing window. After the new window appears, move your cursor to the search bar located near the top of the screen. Tap on the search bar once so that you can begin typing inside it. Next, type the name of your file carefully into the search field to help Excel locate it quickly. When the correct file appears in the results, select the file by clicking on it one time. After selecting the file, drag your mouse pointer down toward the Open button at the bottom of the window. Then click the Open button to open the selected file in Excel. After everything has fully loaded, make sure your project already contains several numbers inside the worksheet before moving to the next step. Once you confirm that the numbers are there, press the Ctrl and F keys together to open the Find panel. When the panel appears, press on the search bar inside the panel so you can enter a value. Type the number that you want to select or locate within the worksheet. At the bottom of the panel, you can choose options such as Find All to locate every matching number or Find Next to move through the results one at a time. After you finish finding the numbers you need, close the panel. Finally, once you are done changing or editing the file, press the Ctrl and S keys together to save your work properly. Saving the file at the end is important because it keeps all of your updates and prevents you from losing any work accidentally. If you need to repeat the search process again, you can reopen the Find panel at any time by pressing Ctrl and F once more. Always double-check the worksheet before closing Excel to confirm that the correct numbers were found, edited, and saved in the locations inside your project file.